Welcome guys, we are cooking ugali and this is episode 4 of cooking ugali. We have already done episode 1, 2, 3. You can always check in our uploads. We have different episodes. Yeah, we are cooking ugali, African white ugali. And this is how we cook African white ugali in Kenya. Let's reduce our heat to medium level for easy cooking. Watch carefully. So wacha nikupatie story ya ugali. So there's a time nimeenda camp. Tulikuwa high school. I went to Malaba Boys High School. So nimepelekwa camp as scouts. I was informed too, I think. So tumefanywa orientation, tumefika kwa camp. We have set our tents, several tents. We were very many students from different schools. So it reached a point where we want to eat. Everybody was hungry, was starving. We wanted to eat. So we were given a task to light up fire without using a matchbox.
How not?
Using stones and wood. So you rub the wood against the stone, then you get the... Yes. So we succeeded in that part, but it reached a point when we wanted to cook ugali. Because we had everything. We had mboga, nini. Unga iko, we carried from
home.
Yes. So ikafika time ya kupika ugali bana. Atuambia sasa, we want to do things in a bush way. There's nothing you're going to use like cooking stick or anything. You have to modify. So we struggle. But at the end, there's a guy who had a pen knife. So he suggested I have a pen knife. And immediately that one became an idea that we have to improvise a wooden cooking stick. And we succeeded. And then we cooked ugali.
The stick?
Yes. Made in the bush.
In the bush too, immediately?
Yes, and we cooked ugali with it. And it was very perfect. So you were the moral is you were being taught survival tactics. Yeah, you can find yourself in the bush without anything to light up fire or to cook with. Even plates, we didn't use our plates that we carried there. We improvised everything from the bush. So kuna miti yenye kuna na lips kubwa hivi. Then huwa inakauka. So we use that one like plates. So alafu ikikauka unaweza vunja hivi ndani safi. Yeah. So we cooked ugali and it was delicious. Delicacy.
Sweet.
Yeah. Kama unapenda mautamu, unaweza practice OMAD. Do you know OMAD?
What is OMAD?
OMAD means 1 meal a day. OMAD.
Hey. OMAD. No. Hey.
Yeah, you just eat once a day. When you eat now, you will
Until
eat tomorrow the same time.
Yeah,
it's a good diet strategy. Unakuwa na afya mzuri. OMAD. I once practiced OMAD, but So ugali is almost ready and just finalizing.
Feel the aroma.
As you can feel the aroma, you can smell the aroma. I think this one is ready. Let me get it off. Ugali is Vuchima in our language, Maragoli. The Bukusu call it Vusuma. The Turkanas call it Nangaria. Call it Nangaria. But they don't cook like the way I've cooked. Theirs is like porridge. It's very soft. It is even cooked with a different wooden stick. The wooden sticks looks like a star. Yeah. Then they add salt, kidogo, and milk.
So that is like the Turkana culture.
Yeah, that's their culture, yeah. And it's very sweet by the way. Quick one. Homemade. Simple, nice, and easy. It's good. Yeah. Chima.
Yima.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you catch up with me each and every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for weekly inspirational cooking video. Been yours truly and truly, Jayuga. Bye bye.